Hey, hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to convert Figma to Lotties. So you can create your prototype or animation over Figma and then you can convert it into a Lottie. It means you can export it in form of GIF, MP4 or even JSON, so whatever you prefer. So I'm going to show you that. So number one step is definitely create your illustration first, or iconography, whatever you want to create. I'm not going to create any illustration here because it's just a tutorial. So let's assume we have this illustration. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna animate this illustration. So duplicate the frame and let's think about some kind of animation for it. So let's suppose we can reduce these cart like this. We can twist this lock and we can shrink it like this, and then we can keep this in center and then just select all these things, shrink it down like this, and we'll keep this behind this one. Okay, one more thing, you can't play with the z-axis. You have to play with the positioning and the scaling, and make sure you don't tweak the layers. So for example, let's suppose in this frame this is on the top layer, and in this second frame, if you change the position of any layer, animation is not going to work smoothly at all. So you have to keep this thing in your mind. I'll just range it like this. That's it. Now we have two frames, and make sure it's in a center. I wanted to have this in center like this. Okay, everything is set now. Now select the frame one, go to the prototype, and here attach this plus with the second frame. I'll select after delay 1 millisecond. I want it to start immediately, and in animation select smart animate, and you can play with the duration and timings. This is up to you. And then select the second frame because I want to create a loop, and I'll select this plus and attach with the frame one. Now same thing, I'll trigger this with the after delay 1 millisecond. Automatically I wanted it, and in animation smart animate and select duration. So animation is created. I click the first frame and go and run this prototype or preview this prototype. Let's see if it's working nicely or not. Cool, it's working nicely. So we can export this, so let's do it. Right click, go to the plugins and click on the manage plugins and search for the Lotties, and this is the plugin which we want. So click on it, and that's it. And here once you run this plugin, you can see select a prototype flow option. Click on it and you'll be able to see flow one. So here we have created a flow one. Sometimes you'll be not able to see here anything. The reason is because it could be like this, whatever animation you have created, it's not a part of a flow. So it will look like basically it will look like this in short, and then you'll have no option here. So let's suppose I have created this animation in preview. Whenever I'm previewing it, it's working fine, but I'm not able to see here. So simply select the first frame and then go to the prototype, and here you can see flow starting point. Click on it, and then we have a flow one. You can rename it to the lock animation, whatever you want, to be honest. And that's it. And now you'll be able to see lock animation. Click on this, and here we go. We have this animation here. Now you can insert this as GIF. You can also insert as a SVG, whatever you want, and you can click on the download animation. Click on the download animation. You need to sign up here. So I'll just sign up, allow access. That's it. Once again, go back, lock animation, and download it. And now here you need to just select your workspace and folder, save it, and that's it. I already have 10 files, so that's why I'm not able to do it. There is a requirement of premium. Okay, so what you can do, basically you can delete some existing Lotties from your account, and then you'll be able to do it quite easily. So this is how you do it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See ya.